skills away from ourselves. The basic right.
Ewiche mag thieth ponyo kora mag jongo gweng'wech ndodhiane county ma MERU. Kama ero kacho ni thieth medoro chore hospital maduong' mano mar MERU Teaching and Referral, mano ka koro kidieny mar jochiw thieth, mano mar clinical officers, bende koro donjo e ng'anyo. Ma ibiro tok jumachiel ka nurses bende koro matiyo hospital no ne ogoyo badgi piny, kendo koro mano HDU kod HDU ema koro bende odong' kacha katiyo. Jagoro maduong' mano mar Kenya National Union of Clinical Officers George Maroa wacho ni romo margi bende koro kod Tend County ma MERU osebedo katimore to bende ogore Luanda. Gino makoro miyo koro gigomo kata ng'anyo mare bende koro chako. Moko kuom dwachgi bende oriwo medruok e lemo mago mag tich, medo jotije kaachiel koda ka lwasi maber mano mar tich.
Hakuna facilities, hakuna, nimepata kila kitu imefungwa, tumeenda mahali pengine na hatuna hizo ndo za kwenda huko private kuangalia hiyo 6 months. Sisi ndo tunaumia kwa hii mambo ya kugoma. Wakigoma wenye wanashughulika na history za finance those doctors, finance the nurses, please wafanye tu haraka.
Nimetoka MERU Centriment. Ipena kuja hapa hospitali nikaja na nikakuta hakuna madaktari wanafanya kazi. Sasa mtu ndio watu wanaumia. Wanakuja wanatumia gharama na wanarudi tena nyumbani bila matibabu.
We gave the notice on 9 accounts that we were not happy on the manner that they were handling them. That is the issues of promotion that are still pending. Some of our members have not been promoted for more than 9 years. And still the county government has no budget for it. We have dire situation where we don't have enough staff. We have been pushing that they employ more staff. Still, there is no sign of the same. So what happened is that our members are forced to work overtime and they are never compensated.